Hello and welcome to Homelike. My name is Regina and today I will explain to you how the booking process works. At Homelike, we offer 3 different booking methods: request mode, soft booking, and instant booking. Whenever you receive a booking request, you will also receive an email notification about it. First, I'm going to explain to you the request mode. For the following steps, you have to open your dashboard and select the Requests tab. Potential guests send you a non-binding request. You can see and review these under the section Pendings. By clicking on a pending request, you can see more detailed information about it. For example, the guest name, number of guests, time period, and more. Scroll down to view the tenant profile to get more detailed information about your potential guest. Open the tenant profile so you can find information about the age, reason of stay, and employment status of your potential guest. Now you have 2 options. Either you'll accept or decline the booking request. You have about 24 hours to reply. Your reaction time to this request have a positive impact on your chances to convert the request. If you cannot accept the request, you can decline it by selecting Decline on the bottom. Afterwards, you will be asked to select a reason why you cannot accept the request and an option to offer a different apartment to this guest through a counteroffer. Please note that changing your availability in the Availability tab does not have an impact on existing open booking requests. You can accept the request by choosing the blue Approve Now button. Now the request appears under the Approved section. Requests you have declined appear under the Decline section. When you have accepted the request, the tenant has 48 hours time to book or cancel the request. Canceled requests are viewable under the section Canceled. Whenever a tenant has confirmed the request, you can find it under the section Bookings. By clicking on the booking details appear. Here you can download your terms and conditions or sign your rental agreement and find the contract details from your guest. Make sure to contact the guest after the booking to arrange the key handover and more. The soft mode is quite similar to the request mode. The only difference is that the guest sends a binding request. Once you approve the request, this is a binding booking. So you get access to the terms and conditions and the contract details right after you have approved the booking. This will be available in 2023. Instant booking is the fastest booking method. Here, the guest does not send a request, but directly makes a booking. You do not need to approve or decline the request. The contact details from the guest are instantly visible in the Bookings tab. This method works best in combination with automated availability through iCal or Channel Manager.